Today we're gonna put a throttle cable in the Datsun. Let me see if I can get it. So this isn't really made for this car because you can't really get parts made for it, but it'll work. Like this is off of like a scooter or something. Okay, so this part, and it goes into right here, and there's like a small hole right here, and then it just
your
oh,
yeah,
it goes like just like
okay.
that.
Yeah, I got it.
And then so right here we're just gonna take this one off. Let's see, I'm gonna get some wrenches to take it off. There we go. And pretty much we're just gonna try to replace it. And this one, like I thought it was gonna be shorter, but you know, I guess I could like loop it around like that or something. But I'm pretty sure it's gonna work. I might have to make a new little thing for it.
What do you mean?
Let me like a new little groove, like a notch right here.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. I know how to do it. So maybe, and then
Do you have another hole in there?
it doesn't need 2 holes.
Okay.
Yeah. Alright, so I'm just gonna tighten this one up, and I'm gonna have to make a notch right here with what's that called? With the angle grinder. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. See it right here? I made
Oh yeah, I see.
that new groove for it. This one.
Mhm.
Okay. So now we're gonna put this one right here. Yeah, it needs to be bigger. Be careful because it's gonna go that way.
Okay.
The
Let me just go
things.
then.
Yeah, just go back to where. Okay, so now it should fit since I made it bigger. Yeah, so now it fits. Okay. So now if I pull this side, this should pull this. Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Okay, so it kind of works well.
Do it again. That's cool. Ah, Walter, your
Oh, the glasses, yeah. Okay. Okay. Yeah, that's way better. I'm gonna try to find one for this side so I could grab it and tighten it.
no, sweetheart, I know.
I'm gonna have to see how this works. Okay, so we found a place where you can actually just try to put the throttle cable through.
Let me just go there and see. Hold on a second.
So there's this hole over here where the Datsun goes. So we're running the throttle cable. Look, pointed over here. We're running the throttle cable. What is it?
Oh. No, let me do it.
Okay. So the throttle cable is running through here and then into this hole right here. And then And the whole, what, let me do it from inside. This thing up here where you could actually just hook the line up to. So that's what we're gonna do. So now, I think it should be good. Okay, I'm gonna try to do the pedal. Tell me if it works.
Yep.
Yeah, so that works perfect, right?
Yep.
I think that's all that we planned out for today.
Okay, cool. Let's go for some beers.
Yeah, we need some beers.
Tell them about Leah
Leah?
and her Instagram.
Follow Leah on Instagram. And I'm gonna put the Instagram like right up here. But yeah.
I didn't. I'm sorry. I didn't record anything. It's a joke. I did.
She always doesn't record anything. Okay. So beers. Here.